Let's open up Camtasia. Here's some codes for you guys. So one, you want to do this as quickly as possible to see if supported with your type of computer. Close that. Now you'll see something come up here eventually. Just checking something. Yeah, see it. And then I go to mention 5 fingers. That did not do anything. Let's try going to Finder. Go to Downloads. Go down to Camtasia again. Click on Core Keychain. As you see, it won't let me load it. So what you want to do is go to Active Press System Preferences. If it doesn't let you load it, you can right click and open it, or go up to Security and Privacy and just allow it for this one. It will still say no, so what you want to do is right click and press Open. Then it should say Open. Choose Camtasia version 2 or 3. Let's generate. Generate like 5 times and then click here. Just start copying it. You can press X, any of these X's to press them. I'll click this one. Then you press Camtasia DMG. Press agree. It will let me. There we go. Now you'll see this little Camtasia thing come up over here. Yes, and you'll see this too. Just drag it to your applications. I know mine isn't supported because I'm on Mavericks right now, but this works on the latest firmware. You just right click, paste that stuff in there. I'll just paste the document in the text file, so let me make a new text document. Notes. There we go, save that. So now I have that in the notes. Now you just open up that, delete this thing, and now you should be able to load your Camtasia app within the applications folder. That should be right here where you can find it. Should be right here, and that should be able to load. Just drag it to your desktop and it should be right there. So yeah, there you guys go. Hope you guys help you, and see ya.